Hello, my name is Dan Hulea, and with the supervision of Professor Nicolae Muntean, I made my PhD thesis titled Wide Ratio Bidirectional DC-DC Converters for Supercapacitor Storage Applications. Firstly, why use supercapacitor storage? Well, usually conventional batteries are most often used for energy storage. However, by adding a supercapacitor, the power density, the life cycle, and storage efficiency are greatly increased for the overall storage system. Energy storage plays an important role in the use of renewable resources, which help decrease pollution and ultimately health risks. Energy storage in a supercapacitor is similar to any other capacitor. It is proportional to the squared voltage. Therefore, a converter with a wide voltage range is required for good energy utilization. Wide ratio converters have been proposed in the last few years, but have not been described by their most relevant traits. The question still remains open: how to design better converter topologies so they can be cheaper, smaller, and more efficient. One answer is to use hybrid switched inductive or capacitive cells, which also help achieve higher conversion ratio, and this has been the focus of my thesis. Using these cells, I proposed 4 new topologies, which I then analyzed in steady state and dynamic operation, obtaining the design equations and dynamic models. I built 5 kW prototypes for 2 of the topologies using different transistors. I confirmed the mathematical models with simulation and experimental results. I compared the efficiency for different switches, achieving much better efficiency for the GaN devices, as expected, and after many experiments I provided some improvements for the initial schematics. An important chapter is the comparison to other state-of-the-art topologies in terms of voltage conversion ratio, total active switch stress, total inductive or capacitive energy stored in the passive components of each converter, which are all a new point of view for their traits, and are also related to the price, efficiency, and volume of one topology. I also proposed and tested some power sharing strategies for supercapacitor storage based on the nonlinear drup and nonlinear virtual impedance. The thesis results are published in a few papers, 2 of which have received international awards. In conclusion, the proposed converters offer higher performance in terms of cost, efficiency, and volume compared to other state-of-the-art topologies. The theoretical models, which are available for future use, are validated either experimentally or through numerical simulations, and all topologies present stable operation. New power sharing strategies for supercapacitor storage applications have also been tested for such converters with good results. So this was my thesis in 3 minutes. Thank you for listening.